A for ant, B for bat and B for ball, C for cat and C for cup, D for dog and D for dots, E for egg and E for elephant, F for frog and F for fish, G for goat and G for grass, H for hand and H for hat, I for ink and I for insect, J for juice and J for jar, K for king and K for kite, L for lamb and L for leaf, M for man and M for monkey, N for neck and N for nose, O for ocean, O for oar,